Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to start the fifth unit, water distribution and supply, the drinking water supply treatment. The last unit is after the treatment, water you have to distribute to the community. So we're going to see how we are going to distribute the treated water, what are all the methods, then what are all the components required, everything we will see here. First one is first I will go through the syllabus. Here you can see requirements of water distribution, components. Then if the water we want to distribute to the community, we need the pipe and pumps and various appurtenances. So what are all they? How will you select the pump? How will you select the pipe materials? Then once the water is treated, we need to store that water in reservoir. So what are the reservoir? What is their function? Then computer applications. Then if there any leakage occurs, means how will you detect that leakage? What are all the methods? Then principles of designs of water supply in building, house service connection, fixtures and fitting, system of plumbing and types of plumbing. We'll see in this fifth unit. I'll share the slides here. Slides. Now, what is meant by water distribution system? So what is meant by distribution? Once the water gets treated, that water convey the treated water to the consumers. That is called distribution system. So the should here you can see the water gets the requirements of good distribution system should convey the treated water up to consumer with the same degree of purity. The system should be economical and easy to maintain and operate. The diameter of pipes should be designed to meet the fire demand. It should save against any future power pollution as far as possible, should not be laid below the sewer line. So it should not, it should lay above the sewer line. Water should be supplied without interruption, even when repairs are undertaken. The system should be so designed that the supply should meet the maximum hourly demand. A peak factor is 2.5 is recommended for the population. Population is 0.5 to 2 lakhs. So, here you can see before going to start the network system, see what are there. So after distribution, after treatment, they have to distribute the water. So there are so many methods, network system available. What are the methods of supplying water? How will you supply the water to a community? Either continuous 24 hours or intermittent. So in a particular day, for a particular duration, we have to supply. There are two methods, continuous system, intermittent system. So here you can see continuous system is best system and the water is supplied all the 24 hours. If you have plenty of water, then we can supply the water all the 24 hours. In this system, water is available for fire safety. Due to continuous circulation of water, always remains fresh water. Then intermittent supply, this system is suitable when plenty of water is not available. Plenty. When plenty of water is not available. Supply is divided into zones, only on fixed hours in a day, whether 3 hours or 8 hours, particular day, particular week, like that they will supply. This system should not be for long term because no water for fire demand. Contamination will be there because of storage. Large number of pipes and valves are required. Okay. We'll see what are all the layouts of distribution system. Before we'll start the layout, so another PPT, what are all the system of supply. So in the system of supply, there are three methods. You can see here slides. System of supply. So here you can see methods of water distribution. The system of supply is two methods, two types, continuous, intermittent. So here methods of water distribution, there are three methods: gravity system, pumping system, combined gravity and pumping system. Okay. Here, gravity system, pumping system, combined gravity system. The gravity system suitable when source of water is at sufficient height. The most reliable and economical distribution system. So here you can see, so this when the reservoir is in height, then the town is at lower level. This method is suitable. Most reliable and economical distribution system. The water head available at the consumer is just minimum required. So the remaining head is consumed in the friction and other loss. The pumping system. Here you can see there is a pump house, pump the intake from the source. The water is collected through the pump because the water is at lower level. Then it is taken to treatment. After the treatment water, the clear water is stored in the reservoir. Then again it is pumped using the pump. Then it is distributed to the towns. The treated water is directly pumped into the distribution main without storage. Also called pumping without storage system. This method is also called pumping without storage system. High lift pumps are required. If power supply fails, complete stoppage of water supply. This method is not generally used. Here you can see. Next method, combined gravity and pumping system. Combined gravity and pumping system. Most common system. Most common system. Treated water is pumped and stored in the elevated reservoir, the elevated distribution reservoir, then, then supplies to the consumers by the action of gravity. By the action of gravity, the water is supplied to the consumers. The excess water during the low demand period gets stored in reservoir and gets supplied during high demand period. Combined gravity and pumping system is economical, efficient, and reliable system. Start the layouts of distribution network. So the distribution pipes are generally laid below the road pavements and such their layouts generally follow the layouts of roads. So where we will provide this pipeline below the roads. There are general four different types of pipe network. Any one of either singly or combination can be used for particular place. So these are the four types: dead end system or tree system, radius system, red iron system, ring system. So this red end system, it is suitable for old towns and cities having no definite pattern of roads. So here you can see there is only one main pipe, and from main pipeline there is a sub main. From the sub main there are branch. Here you can see from the main to submain there is only one cut-off valves. So this method advantages are relatively cheap, determination of discharges and pressure easier due to less number of valves, and the disadvantage due to many returns stagnation of water occurs in pipe. So in the radial system, the area is divided into different zones. The water is pumped into the distribution reservoir kept in the middle of each zone. The supply pipes are laid radially ending towards the periphery. Here you can see the periphery, there is a water supply. This dotted end is the advantages of the system is gives quick service, calculation of pipe size is easy. In grid-iron system, it is suitable for cities with a rectangular layout, where the water mains and branches are laid in rectangle. So here you can see there is a right, the submains to the branch, there is a cut-off valves. So water is kept in good circulation due to absence of details. In the cases of breakdown, in some section, water is available for some other direction. So here you can see there are so many cut-off valves. So here if you want to do the any repair work in this direction, so it should not affect the, it won't affect the water supply to the other direction. Or here, this way. The disadvantage, exact calculation of size of pipe is not possible due to position of small branches. And the last system is ring system. You can see the supply main is laid along with the peripheral roads and supply from the mains. This is the ring system. This system also follows the Twitter system with a flow method similar in character to that of Twitter system. The determination of the size of pipe is easy. Water can be supplied to any point from at least two directions. So today we have seen what is distribution system, what are all the requirements for good distribution system, the supply of system, supply of water, what are the supply continuous and intermittent, and the method of water distribution, gravity system, pumping system, combined gravity and pumping system. And the last topic what we discussed is layout of distribution network. Hope you all understand this. So with this I start. Next class we'll see the reservoir. What are the reservoir?